Dear students, welcome back to the class 8. I think so all are enjoying the mathematics videos of class 8. So in the last class we have completed some of the examples of exercise number 2.5. In this video you are going to learn the new concept, that is equation reducible to linear form. So linear form means you already know it is ax plus b. Ax plus b is your linear form because the power of x is 1. If the power of the x is 1 means it is a linear equation. It is a linear form. Okay dear students, we are studying the topic as linear equation in one variable. In that you are going to study the first, that is last concept, that is equation of reducible to the linear form. The question says solve x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. Okay dear students, so here the question says x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 by 8. You need to cross multiply this, so you will get this as 8 of x plus 1 is equals to 3 of 2x plus 3. First step, you need to cross multiply this, that is 8 into x plus 1 is equals to 3 into 2x plus 3. So this is your first step. Now second step, you multiply this 8 into bracket, that is 8 into x is 8x, then you multiply 8 into 1, you are getting as plus 8, which is equals to, then you multiply 3 into 2x is 6x, then you multiply 3 3s are 9. Okay dear students, so now it is 8x, this is 6x, minus of 6x, this is 9, you keep as it is, this is plus 8, when goes to that side becomes as minus 8. So you will get this as 8x minus 6x is equals to, you are getting as 2x is equals to 1, means the answer you are getting this as x is equals to 1 by 2. So this is your x is equals to 1 by 2. Just substitute that in the LHS. So just LHS, in the LHS I consider the first the numerator part. Okay, so the numerator part is what here? So the numerator part is x plus 1. Okay, so just substitute x is equals to 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus of 1. If there is nothing means you have to take as 1. So LCM is 2 again into 1 into 2. So 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2s are 2. We are getting as 3 by 2. So this is numerator. Then similarly LHS denominator. Denominator is what here? LHS denominator is, that is 2x plus 3. Okay, so this is 2x plus 3 means 2 into 1 by 2 plus of 3. So 2 get cancelled, so remaining is 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. Now multiply this numerator by denominator. So what is numerator? Numerator is here how much? Numerator you got this as 3 by 2 divided by 4. Okay, means you should take as reciprocal, that is 3 by 2, this is separate part. Okay, so this is separate part, and next I am solving this one, 3 by 2 into 4 by 1. So again this what we will get this as, so 3 by 2 into 4 by 1 I am getting. So this is 4. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 means this is 4 by, I am getting by 4, means I should get 3 divided by 4, you should get this, I don't take reciprocal. So this is 3 by 2 into 4, you are getting this. Okay, means it is 3 by 8. So this is your RHS. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 divided by 4 is again your 3 by 8, means LHS is equals to RHS, means the answer is correct, that is x is equals to 1 by 2. Okay dear students, so please note down, that is first problem of equation that is reducible to the linear form. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more example of your textbook. So that is question number, example number 19 says present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Okay dear students, so see the question, present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. So first thing you need to do, you need to write first the given thing. First I will write let the ratio be x, means let the ages ages of Anu, at the ages of Anu and Raj be, that is 4x years and 5x years. Okay, and after 8 years, what will be the after 8 years Anu's age is, that is how much it is, 4x plus 8. After 8 years Anu's age will be 4x plus 8. Okay, then next thing, after 8 years, you complete this. After 8 years Raj's age, that is Raj age will be 5x plus 8. So what is given? Given is ratio. It is given ratio. What is given ratio? That is 5:6. Means after 8 years the given ratio is 5:6. So first thing in the given is, let the ratio be x. Ages of Anu and Raj will be 4x years and 5x years. Okay, so after 8 years, means after 8 years Anu's age will be 4x plus 8, and after 8 years Raj age will be 5x plus 8. Okay, so again what is the given in question? After 8 years the ratio will be 5:6. Means according to the question, according to the question, that is what we can write. According to the question we can write this as 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 is equals to 5/6. So this is according to the question. So this I am going to solve. So means again you multiply this 6 in first step is 6 into 4x plus 8 is equals to 5 into 5x plus 8. Okay, so this will be first step. 4x plus 8 whole divided by 5x plus 8 is equals to 5/6. Again first step you need to cross multiply. If you cross multiply this, you are getting 6 into 4x plus 8 is equals to 5 into 5x plus 8. Okay, so now multiply inside the bracket, that is 6 into 4 is 24x. Okay, then 8 6 are 48, which is equals to 5 5 are 25x and 5 8 are plus 40. Okay, so now just separate the x term. I'll separate the x term, that is 25x minus 24x is equals to 48 minus of 40. So you are getting this as 25x minus 24x is equals to, getting x is equals to 48 minus 40 is 8. So x is equals to, you are getting as 8. Okay, so as you got x is equals to 8, means you can conclude. What you can conclude, that is the present age of Anu and Raj you can conclude. So therefore Anu's present age will be, that is 4x, that will be equals to, that is 4 into 8, that is 8 4s are 32. And similarly Anu's, then Raj's present age is 5x, means this will be 5 into 8, which is equals to 40 years. So this is 32 years. Anu's age will be 32 years and Raj present age will be 40 years. Okay, so this is the concept of equation reducible to the linear form, and I have solved some of the two examples of your concept, that is equation reducible to linear form. In this you have seen the present ages, how to find that of Anu and Raj. If some more type examples they are given in the exercise 2.6, they have given one examples of, that is, ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Based on this example, in the exercise number 2.6 you have one problem, that is the sixth main, that is you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. And some example are there, exercise number 2.6. Some more examples are there, that is the last concept I am going to solve, that is exercise number 2.6, and this will complete your linear equation in one variable. In the next video I am going to solve some examples of exercise number 2.6. For in this video, just you look after what is the concept of equation reducible to linear form, and copy these two examples and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.